Good day, this is our anatomy quiz of the day. Which of the following is the lightest and thinnest bone in the human body? A. Lamina papyracea, B. Stapes, C. Nasalis, or D. The fibula. And the correct answer is the stapes. The stapes is one of the three auditory ossicles, which are tiny bones in the middle ear, the other two being the malleus and the incus. The lamina papyracea is the thinnest bone in the skull, but not in the entire body. It comprises the medial wall of the bony orbit. The nasalis bone, as the term suggests, comprises the nose, and the fibula is one of the two bones together with the tibia, which comprises the leg.